Cold air, midnight glow. We don't need to know. Every breath, every light, fading into endless night. Running where the oceans meet, leaving echoes underneath. No more words to pull us down, only stars without a sound. Take my hand, don't let go. Follow where the wild winds blow. Hearts don't need a place to hide. When the moon becomes our guide, we're lost in the silence, higher than the skyline, floating through the darkness. Everything feels alright. We're chasing forever.